Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NXTTF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. I've done this analysis before, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's big price movement, these levels are definitely, out of... They still pertain to the chart, sure, they're just irrelevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So what I'm going to do is just use these lines now for the more so near-term levels of support and resistance. We'll set that one aside for now. But as far as areas of support are concerned, well, the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above 205. Now, if the price falls below there, where would the next level of support be? That would be down here at, let's see, what was the bottom portion of that consolidation area? Right around $1.95. So 205, $1.95 to the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very basic yet highly effective way of judging the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented by that. Again, sure, staying above 205, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Next key level of resistance is going to be right here from these former highs back here. When was that? Back in late September, and that's right up around $2.25. So $2.25, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice movement the past couple of days, including Friday of last week. And as long as the price starts building higher bases going forward, everything else will continue to take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.